Hello guys, welcome back to Cricket Aura by Ashish Rathi English version. Today I am going to demonstrate you about off-spin bowling grip and releasing point of off-spin bowling. And I have with me one player with me who will help us to demonstrate off-spin bowling. That way you will understand much better in a much better way. So let's start guys. So first I am going to tell you about grip. Okay, so stay in front of camera so that people will understand properly. You have to grip the ball. Index finger, first you should know index finger is the dominant finger in off-spin bowling. So you have to use your index finger to turn the ball. It is a most important finger when it comes to off-spin bowling. So you have to keep that index finger across the seam, right, like this. If you can see like this, and little bit after that you have to try and align with grip. It should not like this completely across. It should be across but little bit aligned, so that you are in much better way, much better position to turn the ball. It will grip well and you have much more control over the ball. So, and your middle finger should be aligned with the seam position, and your all the other fingers should be aligned with with middle fingers. Okay, so like this, grip should be like this. And in about thumb is like, it depends on individual. Few people use thumb as well for their release while releasing the ball. Few people don't use thumb. They grip the ball like this, they don't use thumb, and few people grip like this, they use the thumb. Okay, like this. So it's up to individual, whatever you are comfortable with. If you have small palm, small fingers, so you have to use thumb as well. So let's start. Okay, as you can see, you have small fingers, so you have to grip the ball properly. You have to use little bit of thumb as well. So yeah, it is correct. Let's show it from every angle. Okay. So now that you have gripped the ball properly, you have to understand the releasing point. Releasing point is very important. So you have to be side on position like this, and your hand should near your ear. It should come straight 90 degree. Okay, and you are like this. If you are releasing like this, it won't turn. You have to release like this. You have to do like this. Yeah, like it. Seam position should be pointing towards leg slip, so that ball will turn from off to leg. As a off spinner, we turn ball into the right hander, right? So that should be the no. It should not release like this. Wait, let me show you. This should be the releasing point. Releasing point near your ear, 90 degree. As means you get height advantage on that. So when you're releasing the ball, you are top of the ball, and after that it should, if you put it like this, it won't turn. You have to ball like this, like opening the doorknob in a opposite direction, this way, like this. So you have to ball like this pointing, seam pointing towards leg slip, and it will pitch it on the seam like this. Okay, so demonstrate it.
Like this, huh?
No. Like this.
Okay.
You have to, no. Now you are pushing it. You are not, this should be 45 degree. You have to maintain 45 degree angle. This is 90 degree angle. This is 45 degree angle. Like this. And your palm and your ball, half the ball and half the palm should be visible to the batsman. Off spinners means batsmen who are playing it, will understand that your half the palm is visible and off means your half the ball is visible. So that way you will understand that it's off spin. No, now you are undercutting the ball. You are not releasing it properly like this. This it look, my half the ball is visible and half the palm is visible. Your finger is not completely visible. Little bit of fingers are visible to the batsman and little bit of ball. Okay, now it's like ball is little less visible. Okay, so it will undercut the ball, you know. So now you're pushing it. Try and release. Use your wrist as well, like this. You are undercutting the ball. Not this should be the, yeah, this from front, little bit front of the hand, not completely front of the hand, not like this, but not like this as well. So you have to be like in between.
Okay.
Maintain 45-degree angle, and it should release like this. So it will drift in away from right hander, and it will turn and it will break the as soon as it will hit the seam, it will break. So you understood that?
Yes.
I hope guys you understood that as well. So you have any questions regarding this?
If I ball, my seam position is towards firstly. So where the ball goes?
It will not turn. It will go straight.
Okay.
If your seam position should be as we are discussing off spin bowling, right? So your seam position should be on towards leg slip, so that it will turn.
Then only turn it.
Yeah. Left arm spin position, left arm who's bowling left arm off spin, left arm orthodox, their seam position should be pointing towards first slip, right? So it will go like this only. So seam position matters a lot. The way it releases, your hand position should be in perfectly nice position, and it should release properly. What you are demonstrating most of the time, you are undercutting the ball or pushing the ball, it won't turn. So as a off spinner, if you want to turn the ball, you have to use your finger properly, wrist properly, and releasing point as well. So it is very important. Okay. So I hope guys you like this video. If you like this video, please do share with your friends, off spinners, and everyone else who, even batsmen as well, because as a batsman you also need to understand how the spinner works and how the spinner balls the ball, and you'll understand variation very well. So please if you have any queries, please comment in the comment box section, and till then, love you all guys. See you soon.